Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink onto your Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're creating your website on Cardco and you want to go ahead and add a hyperlink. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto Cardco. Next, you're going to find that there's this plus icon here called element. So add an element. Once you click on add an element, you want to click on links. So an example of what this element looks like is this right here. So this is my link element. And in order to edit this, you just click on the drop down menu. You can edit the label. And then you could also direct where you want this URL to go. So that is how I've been able to go ahead and add hyperlinks onto Cardco. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.